What if you can improve the campus job placement of your students? What if you can attract more companies for campus recruitment by offering skilled manpower? What if you can provide suitable employment opportunities to graduates by connecting with the right recruiters? What if you can help affiliated colleges with your university in overcoming the challenges faced in managing the internship and campus job recruitment process? Seems like a dream? No, it's not. Presenting you with revolutionary mUni Seagull, a centralized artificial intelligence-powered internship and job portal to facilitate the seamless discovery of the right career choices, including career paths, internships, jobs, and right skills. Seagull is a job and career discovery platform that brings students, career aspirants, industry, skill providers, universities, and colleges together on a single cloud platform aimed at reducing challenges in the job and talent discovery process. Some key advantages of Seagull to students, recruiters, colleges and universities. First, single AI-powered career discovery platform for students for finding internships, jobs opportunities, and job assessment preparation. Second, single integrated talent discovery platform with job and internship posting, campus recruitment, AI-proctored job assessment system and online interview tool for recruiters. This will help recruiters skip juggling among many platforms. Third, single platform for colleges and universities for managing campus job placement, internship, training cell and career management center. Fourth, clear actionable insights to university on skills job mapping, and employment opportunities for further implementing skill development, educational policy and employment generation strategies. And many more benefits and features. Get future ready with mUni Seagull. Act now, get in touch with our team.